Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to create a short program which will count files in a directory. So first of all we're going to create the first one, sub, and then that's going to be count files. So we're going to create a subroutine called count files. Now we're going to create a path. So that's the variable, my scalar path, and I'm going to assign it to my desktop path in Windows. So users map desktop. So that's my desktop path in Windows. Your desktop path will be different from that. So you will have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. Then we use CHDIR, which is change directory, and we're going to change directory into this path here. Now we're going to create another variable called my scalar num files, which is short for number of files, and we're going to assign it to 0. So this is going to keep count of the files in this variable. Now we're going to create an array called files, and we're going to assign it to glob, not gob, glob here, which should load all those files and everything on that desktop path into an array, so we can loop through that array. Now I'm going to use the for each loop here. For each, I'm going to create a variable scalar file, so this will iterate over the files, and that's at files there. Then we're just going to come down here a little bit, and we're going to use the conditional to do a little bit of evaluation here. So if I'm going to use this here, this is the F flag for files. Scalar file here, and actually what we're going to do is I've decided we're going to search for empty files, not just ordinary files, but for empty files. So we use and we're going to use another flag here, which is S. This will get the size of the file, which is going to be scalar file here, is equal to 0. That means it's empty, there's no bytes in it. So if it's equal to file and it's empty, then first of all we're just going to count those files. So we do that scalar num files, and then we got the plus here, so that's like number of files is equal to number of files plus 1. Right, and now we're going to print out the result, how many empty files we have got. So print, and here this is going to be number of empty files here. It's going to be num files. Okay, so all we do now is we save it and we run the program by calling it count files. Right, so let's save it again, let's run it. Okay, seems to have there was some number file. Okay, symbol number file. It should be number of files. The typo there. Let's save that again. Let's run it. Okay, so let me just increase the font size for you. So the number of empty files in that particular path is 2. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button below, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.